Now if you currently own the TCL K24 and for whatever reason you lock yourself with password pattern and you forget what it is, in this video I will show you how you go to the recovery menu and factory reset the device. Make sure to subscribe to Variety Stick 2 if you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now just before we go any further in the video, I want to give you a quick disclaimer. Doing factory reset or hard reset, if you have a password and you have Gmail account that's already synced to the device, you are required to use the same Gmail and the same password to bypass the Google activation screen. In addition to this, you will lose all your information on the device. Now the first step, we need to shut the phone completely off by pressing the power key and volume up. Just one click like this, should be able to turn the phone off completely. Now you will need to wait around 10 seconds after you shut your phone completely off, and then you need to press two keys, the power and the volume up. Once you see TCL logo, just release from the power and keep hold on the volume up till the phone automatically take you to the recovery menu. Let's go ahead and do this together. I'm gonna press now two keys, volume up and power key. Once I see the TCL logo, I have to release from the power and keep hold on the volume up till the phone takes us to the recovery menu. There we go. Now the touch is not gonna work. You need to navigate through the volume up and the volume down, but you just need to go to wipe data factory reset. Now to select, you need to press the power key. Go ahead if you're sure you want to do it, and then you will receive another confirmation about losing all the information. Select factory data reset and press on the power key again, and the phone is going to start doing the formatting. It could take a few seconds. Once the format is complete, the phone will be defaulted on reboot system now. This is all you have to do. Press the power one more time and the phone is gonna start do the factory reset, and your phone should be back as the same day you purchased the phone from the factory. Remember, you are required to use the same Gmail account and the same password to bypass the Google activation screen. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here on Variety Stick 2. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll see you in another video.